Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the bonding items and selecting a safe approach window. This reduces stress for the ghast and keeps you alive. Once done, equip the saddle or harness and the bucket of soul fire for scent bonding, then approach slowly, staying downwind so it doesn't panic. Make sure to keep armor on and have ender pearls ready. They let you escape if it spooks. Move with deliberate, calm movements to signal you mean no harm. Once mounted, focus on establishing control rather than speed. The initial moments set your flight behavior. You should hold the mount key briefly to engage the harness, then apply the soul fire scent to soothe it while watching the stabilization bar climb towards 75%. This prevents panic dives. After stabilization, practice gentle ascents and controlled forward thrusts in an open area, alternating short hovers. To finish your training, focus on smooth, anticipatory controls. Throttle back before sharp turns so the ghast maintains lift and you avoid stalls. Once comfortable, practice circuits and controlled dives, then return to a stable hover to dismount safely. If things go wrong, recall your emergency plan immediately, throw an ender pearl or trigger your return beacon to teleport out. For a single key troubleshooting tip, if the ghast panics, disengage, stand back, and reapply soul fire, sent to calm it before remounting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.